Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Team 5. Team 4 has just finished almost getting all their bottles cleaned up, and they're everywhere. So Team 5 has actually benefited from the use of Team 4's excess bottles. So we'll see how this goes. Team 5, how are you feeling getting ready to go into the water?
Nervous. We're gonna sink. Yeah.
Okay, so they sound very confident, completely assured of their boat's reliability. Is there any advice that you have for other teams after this?
The water's cold. Actually collect trash.
Okay.
And don't put it on to the last day.
Okay, well, we'll see how this goes. Good luck, Team 5. Here we've got our awaiting observational crew. Team 4 is still collecting their bottles. They are like sponsored by some sort of plastic manufacturing company right now.
Are you guys ready? I feel like it's getting colder.
It is. It is. It's going to be the best. Team 5, as temperatures continue to drop, Team 5 is loading their raft, barge, boat, ship, hopefully floaty thingy. You know, it looks strangely like that door from Titanic. And I wonder which one of them is just going to lay across the entire thing and let the other three drown. Yeah. All right, so they've got one on. There is one on. He seems to be mostly floating. Still one on. But it looks like they're trying. Balance seems to be the problem because almost all of their weight and buoyancy are not in the same spot. All right, well, Team 5. Now Matthew is way out of the water. They should probably even out their weight a little bit. Oh, it is turned from boat into slip and slide. Oh, Makeda's up and they're off. And by off, I mean Christina's up.
Oh God, that's
Hey, boat number 2, I think, get out of the way.
Yeah. Why don't you just take your shirt off, man? That's fine, that's actually Daisy, just like water.
It literally jumped right in front of me. Guys, catch it. Is that extra credit?
Team number 5, how are you feeling?
Take your shirt off and use it as a...
Great, okay.
Can we stand over there? Wait, can we try? Oh my god, it's so gross.
Yeah? Okay. Let's go ahead and stop that.